You are watching footage filmed by a soldier turned whistleblower, now in hiding. This video was obtained by a pro-Tigray media organization based in the US. The video you're watching will show these Ethiopian soldiers execute these men. A war crime. The Ethiopian government has waged war against Tigray's ousted regional leaders for the last 5 months, with the help of neighboring Eritrea. Ethiopia has implied the atrocities in Tigray are mainly Eritrea's doing. That's not true, and here's why. We know these are Ethiopian soldiers because of the Ethiopian flag on their shoulders here and here. Examining details of the stitching, color, and camouflage patterns, military experts confirm to us that the uniforms match those of the Ethiopian army. In addition, the soldiers are speaking Amharic, the official language of the Ethiopian Federal Army, distinct from the local language. We also know the location by analyzing the video and geolocating the footage. We know it's in central Tigray by the mountain range and terrain just south of the city of Aksum. This model developed by Amnesty International then verifies that location through spatial analysis. You can see the mountain range matches the footage. The captives were moved from where you saw them sitting to here, 1.7 kilometers away. We know that because the video was tracked and mapped and key geographical features were matched on the basis of a high-resolution satellite image of the site. By pinpointing the location, CNN was able to speak to local villagers who confirmed their family members were dragged away by Ethiopian soldiers and have not been seen since. Some believe their loved ones are in this video. You can hear soldiers asking the whistleblower to come closer. The wording here is important. Execution. This is premeditated. They've rounded up these men to kill them. We must warn you, what you're about to see is horrifying. Shoot them in the head, he says. And they do. Look at the left of your screen. The man shoots. We paused the video just before his victim falls to the ground. And again, another soldier raises his weapon towards the man in the white scarf. The video cuts out, but the next scene tells you what happened to him. To all of them. The soldiers continue to shoot, making sure that there are no survivors. What you are witnessing is an extrajudicial execution. We counted at least 34 young men at the beginning of this video. All are now presumed dead. Their bodies casually flung over the ridge. No attempt to hide what has been done here. No apparent fear of consequences. Their actions are so appalling, we can only show individual frames from the video. But it doesn't stop here. You can hear someone saying, "Check that one. That one is not dead. Kill him, or I will come." The same soldier moves further along the ridge and shoots from close range as other soldiers watch on. Much of the region remains under an Ethiopian government blackout, but CNN and Amnesty International were able to speak to local villagers and family members who told us that at least 39 men remain missing from the village. One man was able to watch the video and confirm to us that his brother is among the dead depicted here. Family members continue to search for their loved ones, but have been unable to reach this remote area. Their wish to respectfully bury their dead will go unheeded. Nermal Bagher, CNN, London.